Hello, I am going to show you how to make this tinsel tassel garland. You will need the following items. Some shredded tinsel. I got mine from Home Bargains for 29p each. Some string, some scissors, and some clear sellotape. By the way, the baby is optional. Step 1. Cut the string however long you want the garland to be and attach it to two ends of something. I just find this is easier. Boing! Take your tinsel tassel, again it's going to be annoying, and unpack it. It looks like this when it is fully unpacked, and what we want to do is cut off that top bit with some scissors, that bit there, and just leave the dangly bit. Snip, 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 snip. Keep this bit, do not throw this out, you will need it later. Gently gather the dangly bits together, make sure they're sort of all even length, sort of, just like this. And carefully place over the top of your string. Take some more string and cut a small amount, enough to tie across the top. I'll show you. Take it and tie it around the back of the tassel and do a double knot. There we go. Any excess stringy dangly bits cut off. And here is what it looks like with just the bare string, but we're going to cover that bit up. Take that leftover header bit that we saved before and fold it in half, just like this. Just pinch it a bit. And what we're going to do is cut enough to wrap around the top of the tassel. Trim down any rough edges so you have a nice smooth edge. Ta-da! I have no idea what we're going to call it, but let's just say the top wrapper bit. Wrap it around the back and fasten it so the join is going to be at the back of the tassel. Take your clear sellotape, and this is why it's important that it's clear sellotape, and wrap it around the join that you have just made to secure it in place. Because it's clear, you're not going to see it. Genius. The last step is to trim off any excess so it's nice and even at the bottom, just like a haircut. And there we have it, one beautiful tinsel tassel. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. For this project, I've chosen to mix and match my tinsel tassel and mixed the yellow gold in with some rose gold. Ta-da! The finished product. This whole project cost me £3.48 and it's a beauty.